In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M33 and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply iOS Launcher on this Samsung. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then you need to type in iOS Launcher. Following that, get this free app from this developer and when it's ready, open it. Now select Allow and Allow while using in the pop-ups. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button. Then go into Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down and access Apps section. Then click on Choose Default Apps. Tap on Home app and click on iOS Launcher in order to apply it. Lastly, choose Got It in the pop-up and as you can see after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my device. But you can always switch between your layouts by going into exactly the same settings and choosing Default Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!